කොරියානු පාර්ලිමේන්තු මන්ත්‍රීතුමන්ගේ අදහස් දැක්වීමෙන් පසුව දැන් සදහම් සෙවන වෙනුවෙන් ආධාර පරිත්‍යාග බහර දීමේ අවස්ථාව එළඹෙනවා. ඊට පෙර අපි නැවත කොරියානු නියෝජිතයන්ට අවස්ථාව ලබා දෙනවා.
His Excellency, Mr. President, Mahindra Rajapakse, Venerable Athra Lie Ratana, the Chief Incumbent of Saddam Sebena International Research Institute, great teachers, leaders of Sri Lankan Buddhism, and representatives from many countries around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Lee Han-sung, and I am a member of the National Assembly of Republic of Korea. I am very pleased and honored to be here with you, and I deeply thank Venerable Athra Lie Ratana for inviting me to this prestigious event. I congratulate the construction of International Buddhist Research Institute, which aims to promote international exchanges of Buddhist philosophy, relief programs based upon practical Buddhist philosophy, and the development of sustainable environment, friendly technologies. As I am also Buddhist, the opening of the institute is more than welcome and meaningful to me. Currently, the whole world is filled with materialism and no appreciation of the nature. The nature is threatened by reckless development pushed to bring greater wealth to humans. Fortunately, however, the international community began to realize how dangerous it is to destroy the environment and turned their eyes to green development policies. The Republic of Korea is not an exception. Since 2008, the President of Korea has initiated green growth policies and announced greenhouse gas emission reduction goals for the first time as a non-Annex I country under the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change. The changing trends in the international community are aligned with the very basic philosophy of Buddhism, which is value the life and love the nature. I am convinced that Saddam Sebena will play a significant role in disseminating the Buddhist teachings and promoting exchanges of ideas amongst people around the world. I hope that Saddam Sebena will take the lead and be active in studies on sustainable economic growth in harmony with the nature, solutions to ensure all countries can enjoy the dividend of growth, international standards for knowledge and information needed by Buddhist researchers, ways to promote harmony and peaceful coexistence of all kinds of faiths and religions, as well as further spread of Buddhism and its teachings. I also expect that more and more Korean people visit Sri Lanka to learn and research in Saddam Sebena and other holy places of Lord Buddha. Again, congratulations on the groundbreaking of Saddam Sebena, and I thank His Excellency, Mr. President Mahindra Rajapakse and the Venerable Athra Lie Ratana and the all government officials of Sri Lanka for having me at this special and meaningful event. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Kim Jang-hoon, the Honorable Member of Korean Parliament.